Hey, what's up YouTube? I just wanted to put up a video on my EDC setup. So what I have here is a three-way sling backpack. Three-way meaning there's three ways you can carry this backpack. There's a carry handle on the top there, and turning the bag over, you'll see there's 2 points of contact on the back here. So you have the option of left or right shoulder carry. When I first purchased this Sling Backpack, it didn't come with these two pouches on the side. I purchased these Condura cell phone pouches on eBay, and they just fit nicely on this bag via the MOLLE. And in this one here, I put my wallet, and on the other side, I put my cell phone. So moving on to the first outside compartment, I'll open that up here. I have some travel Kleenex, and opening that up, you'll see that I have put a few of these travel size wet ones. And then the other item that I carry in this first compartment is just some hand sanitizer. So moving on to the next compartment, I'll try and open this right up for you. I have an emergency whistle, and then a notepad, and then just a standard pen. And here you'll see I have a multi-tool. This is the Leatherman Wave. There are a lot of reviews on the internet or on YouTube about this particular multi-tool. It's just a fabulous, fabulous multi-tool. It is a little heavy for EDC use, but I'm willing to carry the extra weight for the added utility that it provides. And for my main EDC knife, I went with the Spyderco Tenacious. This is an under $50 knife, and does it ever perform. 8CR13 MOV steel, full flat grind. It is just awesome for slicing and cutting. I highly recommend this for EDC tasks. Moving on to the largest compartment of this bag, I'll open that right up here so you can have a look inside. I carry down the one side here, I'd say about 25 feet of 550 paracord, and down the other side here I carry a couple travel size rolls of duct tape. Moving on to the first pouch that I have in here, let me just move this bag out of the way. I have my first aid kit. So in here I have some scissors, I have an assortment of bandages, some knuckle bandages, and some gauze pads. I have some tweezers there, and in this little compartment here I have a couple pairs of latex gloves. And opening this section up here, I have some travel polysporin. I have some alcohol wipes here, some medical tape. There's about 5 yards of gauze in this little package, some Q-tips there, and some pain and fever relief. So the next compartment, the next pouch that I have here in this bag is the Maxpedition Mini. So let's open that right up here. So to start off with, I have a mini Sharpie permanent marker. I have 2 backup AAA batteries that are for my mini mag light. This mag light is a twist-on, and I believe it has a brightness level of 84 lumens. Next, I have an extra pen. Here I have some homemade lock picks. Next, I have some bit accessories for the Leatherman Wave. Here I have a butane lighter, And then I got this free with a buck knife that I purchased. It fit really nicely in the sleeve here, so I like to keep it in there. This is the Buck Nano. Next I have a charging cable for my cell phone. And then I also have the 110 USB charger for my cell phone. So that pretty much concludes the contents of my EDC pack. I hope you guys found that helpful, and feel free to leave a comment or ask a question, and thanks for watching.